Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Ricky. We love to race, we love to do our own mods. Pretty much we like to be cool dudes, I guess, if that makes sense. But this is it's dirty right now, but it's a 2009 Mustang GT with the Paxton Novi supercharger, full bolt-ons, full drag pack, all that type of stuff. We are gonna go E85, but that'll be in another video. Right now we're gonna wash it. I do want to go do a drone shoot, so if I have time, I'm gonna wash it. I have my drone charging, my tablet charging, and all that good stuff, so I can record. So let's just wash it, and then let's go do a drone shoot. Let's go. Just did a hit, man. I don't know why I do a hit, but this truck was trying to pass me. I'm like, nah, hell no. So I hope they don't call the cops because I did that hit. You see how the wheel wibbles? So this is the back road, guys. I'm gonna go a little bit more in there. I can do a better drone footage, but we are gonna do a hit right now, dead stop. So y'all can see how it hooks, and hopefully not break anything. What time is it? It's 3:04. I should be done by 3:30. Come back home. It's pretty much the goal, guys. I don't want to be out here too long. I think right here should be good. Put the drone right there and then just go through it. What is that? Something hitting? Let me check real quick what's hitting, guys. No way! No way! Oh damn, no! That's what it was. Damn! How in the world? That's why it sounded like that. Well, it's a Ford. Put it back there. Damn, so I guess the only good shot would be that side. You know what? Let's get the drone out. Let's get the stuff out. Pretty much, guys, it's this. These. This tab. tablet actually goes like this. I charged it, but who knows. I hope that I can see. Alright, it's on. We gotta get this one to turn on now. Well guys, I'm gonna have to start recording because I'm gonna use this SD card. Guys, we just got our drone footage. I was driving and recording, so I hope I did a good job. I'll put this GoPro on. Hope y'all can see right there. Let me clean the lens, guys. Is that good? Is that good, guys? Perfect. When I go up, okay. Let me put a little bit down, guys, just so y'all could. There we go. So if I go back, y'all can still see. Put my seatbelt on. Look guys, we did the drone footage already. My buddy just texted me where am I at or what. Oh, okay, nah, he's over here guys. He's fixing a diesel. So let's go. It was a good successful shoot, I believe. Not heated over or nothing. Because this car's really loud. I did like kind of like a burnout pulls and all that with the drone. I hope I got it. So I'm gonna do a pull here, first, second, third. I'm gonna turn off the AC. Yo, that was crazy. I gotta get out of here ASAP. ASAP. That thing is loud. Is that a boost leak? Oh no, never mind. No, that's the AC. Guys, on E85, this thing's gonna pull really bad. The only thing about this, when it's supercharged, it's a heat soak. And then with the E85, it's gonna run way more cooler, like really way more cooler. And also, I'm gonna try to do some mods for the cooling of it. A bigger radiator, all that type of stuff, water pump, all that, because especially in Texas, man, the car may pull stupid nice when it's cold, but once that heat soak gets on it, man, honestly it feels slow. Like you can tell the difference when the heat soak kicks in. But guys, thank you. Let me take it up. Hold up. Guys, thank you for watching another one. Some crazy pulls. Stay tuned. Once we get that pump, we're gonna do a whole video on installing the pump, E85 tuned with Lido, some BMR suspension as well. And then on the 28th, we have an event that we will be attending. Even if we work, we're gonna go in the morning. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. When you subscribe to my channel, you're gonna gain a lot of knowledge, a lot of wisdom, and you're gonna see a lot of pulls, a lot of racing. So stay tuned for that, guys. Make sure you turn on your notification, and let's get it, guys. Thank you.